I'll show you on this video how to prepare some bitmap so it's better for tracing. So I go here and open with Paint. That's Microsoft Paint software, and when I see this picture it's already black and white, so I don't have to resave it like black and white, but I see some problems here. This part here impossible to cut on plasma because this will fall out. So I have to use line and make it like this. Here, also this small here has to be like that, and then I save it. I save it as be sure, make sure it's 16 or 24 bitmap saved. Okay, and this is okay for cutting, because you can say less than you can see here less than 1000 pixel. If it's too big, it's not good. But we can resize it here if we need. This one is okay. So you make sure it's saved and close that. Go to ikocam. So convert. Find that picture that is in some extra files, I guess. Here, yeah, fish. This one. Open. Convert to SVG, then convert to JB, and then open it. So this one is wrong in size, but we're gonna make it 24 inches big and move to origin. Let's zoom. You see here. Here is part that we edited before, and here. Okay, turn on nodes. This looks pretty good already, but we're gonna remove small polylines. No, remove short polylines 40% and remove almost collinear polylines. Yeah, that's it. So we can set leads in, and then zoom to see that. I turn node on and I see that the picture is pretty good, smooth, and okay. Now we can generate G code, and then close. I can simulate G code, and then zoom to see what's going on here. That's it.